Without a plan for your memoir, two things often happen. Either you write reams of memories that are not going anywhere because memories are not story and memories do not create a plot. Or you get stuck. And what about the structure? Are you getting it right? There's this constant thought going around in your mind. Hello, I'm Brenda and I'm here to help you to write your memoir and to finish it. But before we can do that, we need to plan it so that you don't get stalled, frustrated, or feel overwhelmed. I designed my Create Your Memoir Blueprint from Premise to Promise course with you in mind. In this course, we'll blueprint your memoir from cover to cover and everything else in between so that you can write with confidence and achieve your dream of finishing your memoir just as I and others have done. By the time you finish this course, you will know why you care about this memoir, what its premise is, broken down into its 8 components, and what the promise is you are offering your reader. But that is not all. You will also have blueprinted the plot of your memoir in its 3 acts. You will have traced your transformation through those 3 acts as they work in tandem with the plot. And you will have the key events for each act listed. And yes, there's a bonus. It comes with a companion 33-page fillable workbook for you to blueprint your memoir and to keep it in one place for easy reference. Writing your memoir just got a whole lot easier. Look in the description below this video for the link to find out more about my course. I honestly would love to help you to gain clarity around your memoir, to get that traction and to get your memoir written.